Seeds of Conflict. That is what Andrew Curry, writer for Discovery Magazine, titled his expose on the growing concern of the use of GMOs. Well, what are GMOs? Simply put, they are genetically modified organisms. These are plants and seeds that are grown in labs, and they do not naturally occur in nature. They are not found in nature anywhere. Well, you may say babies are grown in labs and test tubes and so forth. What's the difference? Well, the genes taken from other animals and fish and even bacteria to make up these new organisms are not naturally occurring, unlike a baby is naturally occurring. It comes from mother and father. But the tampering with these genes specifically is what is a big concern. Why is this bad? Well, according to Melissa Smith from Better Nutrition, she states how the FDA's own scientists warn that these never-before foods could create toxins and allergies that have never been seen before. So these do need to be tested thoroughly. Ecologists worry that these so-called frankenfoods would have a bad effect on the natural order of things. Their fears are that these modified entities could impose a monoculture on our amazing biodiverse world. In the naturally occurring ecosystem, diversity is one of the strengths of the bio world around us, and it's what gives us resiliency. Unfortunately, though, whatever opinion you or I may have on the issue, it doesn't matter because the public opinion is late in the game, so to speak. For 20 years now, GMOs have been used in the American food population. According to Smith, in 2011, 94% of soybean and 88% of corn grown in the United States is genetically modified. So it would appear that no matter what our opinion is on the matter, we didn't have a chance to weigh in on it. Well, what about other countries? Well, Europe specifically, to give an example, in Germany, in July 9 of 2011, a group of masked men broke into a field at night that was surrounded by fencing and lit up and had armed guards. Well, once they disabled the guards with pepper spray, smashing their phones, they got in and destroyed a potato patch. Well, why did they want to destroy a potato patch? Well, the fact is that this potato patch came from a nearby research facility. These potatoes were not normal potatoes. They had been genetically modified using rabbit vaccines and plastic polymers. So destroy the field they did. And this is only one of many examples of the green revolution that's taking place in activists, both in Europe and elsewhere. And their efforts are to keep these GMOs out of the circulation, out of the public food industry. And now, of course, maybe not all of GMOs are bad. That's not what I'm saying. But the bottom line is, don't we have the right to know what's in our food? I think it's something to think about.